Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Animate for free, using Adobe's official 7-day trial, which is available on both PC and Mac, including laptops. To begin, use the official link in this video's description. It will take you to Adobe Animate's free trial page. Once you're there, click the Start Free Trial button. When prompted, choose the individual plan. This gives you complete access to Adobe Animate and all its features for 7 days at no cost. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Adobe account. Don't have one yet? Just click Create an Account. It only takes a moment. You'll enter your name and email address and set a password. Adobe will then ask you to enter a payment method to activate the trial. But don't worry. As long as you cancel before the 7 days end, you won't be charged a cent. I highly recommend setting a reminder so you don't forget. You may also be offered a trial of Adobe stock. If you accept, you'll get 10 premium design assets for free. And even if you cancel the trial, those assets are yours to keep. These assets can enhance your projects and give you a taste of the Adobe experience. Once the account setup is complete, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is your central hub for installing and managing Adobe software. Launch Creative Cloud, search for Adobe Animate, and click Install. The setup will begin. Depending on your system, it might take a few minutes. And that's it. Adobe Animate is now installed on your device, fully functional and free for 7 days. This trial gives you everything you need to get started. Whether you're building interactive animations, cartoons, or motion graphics. It's an exciting opportunity to explore the full potential of Adobe Animate. If you found this helpful video, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and enjoy bringing your ideas to life with Adobe Animate.